As a kid, I was always fascinated by robots. I wondered, in today's world, what it would look like. But they are not as common as I dreamed, merely toys for amusement or expensive machines for automation. Years later, as parts became more accessible and with the advances of I wanted to bring it all together and built one for myself. Hey Zero,
What is it?
introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Zero A1. Nice to meet you.
Robotics is the art and science combining electronics, computer science, and engineering. At its core, the aim is to replicate or surpass the human body and mind.
Who am I?
You are Sam.
By pushing the boundaries in the pursuit of progress, it enables dreams to become reality. This is the beginning where imagination and science can ignite a path towards a brighter tomorrow. Thank you and take care.